Are you getting this error message, oath exception, your account future activity history is off in Meta Technology in while I'm trying to automate my trying to add automation on Instagram and getting this message. So how to solve this message I will show you in this video. So let's go to my PC and see how it solves. So first of all, you need to go to the settings of your Instagram account. So this is the settings of my Instagram account. I hope you know how to open the settings. It is very easy. After that, you need to click on this your information and permission option. And then you need to click on the your activity for Meta Technologies. I will give you all these steps in the video description as well. So after that, click on manage future activity at the bottom. And here you need to click on this connect future activity and tap on this confirm. That's it, your future activity will be connected. So that's it. Now let's go to my PC and see if it works or not. After doing that, just go back to your PC and see start automation once again and see whether it works or not. Let me now connect it and see whether I am able to do it or not. So now at least I am not getting this error message and automation is working. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my coming videos.